If you want to thrive as a content creator, you need more than just tools and tips. You need the right mindset, because your mindset will determine whether you will keep going or whether you will stop along the way, whether you'll be successful or not. There's this saying that I like. It's, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So your mindset is a very, very important tool. Here are three mindsets that you need to have as a confident creator. Number one is the growth mindset. I need you to know that every creator you see today showing up and thriving was once a beginner. The only difference is that they didn't give up when it got bad, when it got challenging, when it got crazy. They kept going. They kept going, growing, learning, and thriving. So with a growth mindset, instead of saying something like, I'm not good at this, I can't do this, you say things like, I am learning this, I can try this, I will try this, and I am going to be good at this. That is a growth mindset. Number two is the abundance mindset. I need you to understand that this online space is really huge. It is really massive. It really hurts me when I hear people say things like, oh, it's saturated. I don't know how I'm going to fit in. Everybody is already doing this. That is not true. The mindset that you need to have is a mindset of abundance. The mindset where you know, where you believe that there is space for me. It is so massive that there will always be space for you. There is room for your voice. Millions and millions of people scroll through social media, YouTube every single day. And the thing is, you don't need anyone. You just need the right people. So I need you to have the mindset that says, there is space for me. There is room for me. There is room for my voice. And avoid the mindset that says it's saturated. That is the abundance mindset. Number three is the resilient mindset. There will come a time where the views will be low, the growth will be slow, the engagement will be low, and the hate comments will be massive. But confidence means that you keep showing up anyway. You keep showing up irrespective. Don't let one bad analytic, one bad review, or even one bad comment stop you from showing up. Don't let it define your entire journey. Those days will come. And when they come, I need you to know that these things are normal and it will pass. These three mindsets will help you and carry you through the ups and downs of content creation, because honestly, it's not always a smooth journey. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.